So you will show the Americans how but they will donate some money to me. They will say words until you can yours.
This is recording our adventure. Здравствуйте. Доброе утро.
Так. О, хоч.
Okay, here we go. Wednesday, March 4th. We're in the beautiful city of Verona, Russia. And I'm with Eugene. Of course, the highest class citizen of Verona.
Top quality road.
Yes, top quality road.
Which is not, well, in some parts even better than in United States.
Here we are. We're going to the garage. We're going to get our car. And we'll soon be on our way, starting our adventures. What a wonderful country.
Very interesting.
Yes, what a wonderful country we are
I
in.
really like it, yeah. I feel with my guts that you love this country.
Yes.
And the country loves you.
I love the people.
And the country loves you too.
They love me back.
All stuff is there. And my fishing tackle, everything.
Yeah. Salute the guard. Hello, sir. Здравствуйте, товарищ. Здравствуйте, товарищ.
Yes. They don't like when you salute with their having no cap on your head.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't
So
salute with no cap on your head.
Yeah, it's an insult.
Ah, our one-way Jeep. This is it right here.
Famous one, yeah.
This famous, what's the name?
I suggest to travel in this Jeep, but an American,
Yeah.
spoiled American, he refuses, you see?
We don't want to travel in too high a class.
It's too good for Matt. He said that it's too strong, too powerful. It's like a, how you call it,
Monster truck.
monster truck.
This is our Monster Jam monster truck right here.
You see how powerful it is? Yeah.
Wow.
Strong, well built.
Yes.
Mm.
Here is our Nissan Juke. Oh man. Too much luggage. In the car we go. And we are going to be on our way. What village are we in?
This is a farm which is called Возрождение, Resurrection, by the way.
Resurrection.
Resurrection, yes.
Well, look at that. We have spotted an air tank, a John Deere flavor air cart, and we are about to go and resurrect it.
Resurrected, yes.
Maybe the cart is made.
They only assemble it, they don't manufacture.
Ah,
They assemble it.
this one was made in Russia.
Здесь вот смотри, шайбы, да? Вот они,
So
шайбы.
do we need washers there? Двигать влево,
You see, as this pivot wears out, it's getting sloppy, and this arm will move this way more. So the row unit's sloppy, the boot pivot slop, of course. It's something we want to address once they change the boots. Let's just fix the boot pivots with metric bolts right now, if you can.
Сейчас, если можно.
Oh, it's gonna work. You can tell it got better, but it's still very worn in the bushing.
You mean in the bushing?
Yeah.
Внутренний лучше будет. Внутренний, потому что внешний вы разворачиваетесь, когда поднимаете, они больше.
Пожалуйста.
The rubber tires, this is one season only. One season on these tires. So we're going to try the urethane. It'll probably do a better job. So here they're sampling some Nitomag brakes, seed brakes.
But manufactured in Ukraine.
You already have new discs.
Диски у вас новые.
But let's get new seed boots on after spring.
После весеннего. So we were going to buy from you the
Well,
boots.
the seed boots come from John Deere.
No,
Even from us.
Yes.
If it's cheaper from your dealer, then buy it here.
Если
А там крепление, что вы говорили про это.
And what about their pivot there?
That one.
Они же поставляют.
Only we supply the pivot fix. Deere doesn't offer this. So down here, as we look at the
Так, теперь
tanks,
давайте посмотрим.
we have a lot of corrosion
I can
happening.
hold it.
So what you can tell because you see all the corrosion here.
Да, вон видите, насколько
So
корродировано.
we normally start with replacing the fertilizer tank first with stainless steel. You notice that you won't be able to get these bolts out without breaking them. Down the seal will be rotted out. And you rebuild this, you'll fix this so that it functions better. That's what the stainless steel one will fix that problem.
Значит, мы...
Even you see these tubes here? We'd want to do a tube kit. Also, it looks like we need to replace this manifold. It's gonna start leaking. See how it's corroding? It's gonna start to leak here eventually. So we can get this in stainless. It'll always be working then. That comes from South Dakota.
Для ленивых всегда все дороже.
I say that, but it's twice as expensive as this one.
But hey, over the lifetime of using it, this will be less money because you only change the bolts.
Да.
Each time you have to fix this, like every time you do boots, you have to buy the whole kit again. And then this is better, it's stainless obviously, but
Ну
it
вот,
also
вот это вот, конечно,
has a better
это всё.
seal.
Это здесь более.
It's an
смотри,
O-ring
какие
instead of a
стоят.
foam seal.
Вот это.
Here's a better boot spring.
Вот.
Вот
Да, поплотнее.
Stiffer than John Deere's, and
Во-первых,
it's got a special coating on it.
она анодированная по
So we're showing them the hydraulic work switch, and pretty much sold it on the spot. That's how good of a deal it is. So this hydraulic work switch from Reddy is gonna make their lives a lot better. Here's the adapters.
Вот он, тройник.
It goes together, yeah?
Yeah.
Это в комплекте
So then it
идет.
tees in.
Сразу, чтобы.
So here we're checking out the field. No till. Is this John Deere drilled? Seeded this? 1895?
Творог.
Творог.
This is not common in Russia, I don't think, huh?
Для России это необычно, да?
Да.
А еще тебе вон эти мышцы помогают, да?
Да.
No till in Russia. It is possible, and they are doing it. So do they find that it's a good practice?
And he thinks that the future belongs to no-till.
Ah, agreed.
And no-till belongs to the future.
So is this their new storage building for equipment or grain?
During summertime we will keep the grain,
Uh-huh.
and in winter time we will store our
Good.
equipment.
Oh, another header. Oh, this is a new one.
To see it.
Why?
А почему?
Потому что это вещь.
But he doesn't want his competitors to see it. Because they will start buying it immediately. Представляешь, и сюда вот нужен тебе вот это.
He just needs a Curry wind system on it now.
Да. Yeah, that's what exactly I told.
Great minds think alike. Oh, brand new.
За полтора. Это
A new
абсолютно
toy.
новое, да? Да. Я тебе знаешь, что я работал с этими с английскими.
Such a nice facility. We're going to get our install tool that we had made in Russia since I forgot it in my luggage, or forgot to put it in my luggage. So we found this machine shop thanks to Eugene's contact. Do you get it?